Oh, welcome to Emperor Training Works. Please like and subscribe, share this video, and recommend us on any video you want us to post next.
R sin theta cos beta. B is equal to R sin theta sin beta, and C is equal to R cos theta. Show that A squared plus B squared plus C squared is equal to R squared. How are you going to solve this? Now the first thing I'm going to do is just to write all these back. A is equal to what? R sin theta cos beta. B is equal to what? R sin theta sin beta. And our C is equal to what? R cos what? Theta. Now the first thing we are going to do, so the next thing we are going to do is square both sides. Square both sides of the equation. So when you square both sides of the equation, square both sides, of the equation, we have what? H squared is equal to what? R squared sin squared theta cos squared beta. Then you have what? B squared is equal to what? R squared sin squared theta sin square what? Beta. Then you have C squared is equal to what? R squared cos square theta. So that's the first thing you are going to do when you square the both sides of the equation. Then the next thing you are going to do is add the equation all together. Add the equation all together in the extent that you add a left side to each other while the right also to each other. So you have H squared plus B squared plus C squared is equals to R squared sin squared theta cos squared beta plus R squared sin squared theta sin square beta plus R squared cos square theta. So that's the first thing you are going to do. First thing you do, mind you, we square the both sides of the equation, then we add the equation all together. So we have this. So the first thing we are going to do is, as we all see that trigonometry ratio here are common, are the same, one of them are the same. So the first thing we are going to do is make R squared the subject of the formula. Make R squared the subject of the formula.
Subject of the formula.
So therefore we have A squared plus B squared plus C squared is equal to what? R squared. Since that R squared is common to both sides there, so we have sin squared theta cos squared beta plus sin square what? Theta sin square beta plus cos square theta. That's the first we're going to be there. So the next thing we are going to do is, when comparing sin square theta plus cos square beta plus sin square theta sin square beta together, you can see that they have sin square theta in what? In common. So you make sin square theta the subject of formula also here. So therefore we now have what? A squared plus B squared plus C squared is equals to what? R squared into bracket sine squared theta into bracket cos squared beta plus sine square what? Beta plus cos square theta. From trigonometry identity, we all know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So therefore, when substitute this back into this formula, we have a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equals to what? R squared into bracket sine squared theta. Since that these are in common face at the same angles, so automatically is equals to what? 1
Wow.
plus cos squared theta.
So irrespective of maybe it's having beta or theta or anything on it.
Exactly. So due to they have the same angle in common, so therefore here also we have a squared plus b squared plus square is equals to what? R squared into bracket sine squared theta multiplied by 1, we have sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. So from our trigonometry identity, since that they have the same angle in what? In common, automatically a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equals to what? R squared into bracket 1. So therefore, a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equals to what? R squared.
Woo! Let us know how you feel about this video in the comments below.